हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करेंगे जुबिलेंट फूडवर्क्स Q2 रिजल्ट्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करते हैं जुबिलेंट फूडवर्क्स Q2 रिजल्ट। सेल्स ग्रोथ 17%, margin stable despite cost pressure. Okay, let's move. Jubilant FoodWorks reported results that were mostly in line with the CNBC TV18 poll. Okay, the current market price 612.70 with a target price of ₹750. 750 का टारगेट है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। करंट मार्केट प्राइस 612.70 with a target price of ₹750. India's largest food service company Jubilant FoodWorks reported September quarter earnings that met expectations on most parameters. The street had anticipated a seasonally weak quarter for the company due to high inflation and the month of Shravan. The company's revenue for the quarter increased 17% from last year, while EBITDA grew in the high single digit. Net profit grew 10% from the same quarter last year. Okay, Jubilant FoodWorks earning metrics figure CNBC TV18 poll. Revenue 1,301.5 crore and CNBC TV18 poll 1,285 crore. EBITDA 312 crore and CNBC TV18 poll 312 crore. EBITDA margin 24%, CNBC TV18 poll 24.3%. Net profit 131.5 crore and CNBC TV18 poll 127 crore. Okay, revenue growth of 17% for the quarter was driven by health performance of new stores as well as a strong like-for-like growth. Okay, driven by health performance. Like-for-like growth during the quarter stood at 8.4% compared to the CNBC TV18 poll, which picked the figure to be between 6 or 8%. Jubilant Foods like-for-like growth in percentage. Q1 final year 2022 124 20.4 and 29.4 Q2 final year 2022 and 7.5 Q3 final year 2022 and 5.8% Q4 final year 2022 and 28.3% Q1 final year 23 and 8.4% Q2 final year 23. Okay. EBITDA margin for the quarter declined the 180 basis points but managed to remain at the 24% mark. The management said that it managed to maintain margin despite the significant cost headwinds. Overall expenses during the quarter increased the 20% from the same period last year. Okay. The company's gross margin contract 200 basis points during the quarter due to higher prices of cheese and vegetables. Jubilant Food opened 76 new Domino's stores during the quarter and entered 22 new cities. The net store addition and city expansions has been the highest ever for the company over the last 12 months. Okay, overall, Jubilant now has 1,701 stores of Domino's across India and is present across 371 cities. It also opened 2 new Popeyes stores and 1 new store for Dunkin' and Donuts. Okay, Dunkin' and Donuts. Okay. On the global front, despite the political instability and economic crisis in Sri Lanka, Jubilant business within within the country saw system sales growth of 37% during the quarter. It also opened for new stores during the period and taking the overall store count in the country to 40. Okay, for Bangladesh, system sales increased 42% from last year. Same, the company opened 1 new outlet during the quarter in the country, taking the total store count to 11. Okay, within the Hong's Kitchens and Ekdam and network, the company owns 20 stores and did not add any new store during the quarter. Okay, other highlights. Okay. Okay, other highlights from the quarter: the highest ever Domino's app installs at 9 million during the quarter due to the launch of 1st September onboarding journey for new users and Domino's Cheese Rewards loyalty program and cumulative enrollments crossed 7.2 million from 2.1 million during the quarter. Okay, so guys, Jubilant FoodWorks Q2 results: sales growth 17%, margin the stable despite the cost pressure. ओके, सो गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। करंट मार्केट प्राइस 612.70 विद अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ ₹750. ओके, सो गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। बोलो राधे राधे।